It looked like say he was not aligned because Jamaica go place top 8 in the world according to this survey. I don't know how official it is, but the survey stated that Jamaica is ranked 8th in the world for longest average bedroom time. Now, I'm sure I'm very curious and I wonder, like, if Jamaica place 8, who could actually in front of we? Who could actually in front of we and who fall further down on the list? Well, I will tell you. Yeah, man. So, according to global stats, now themselves the average sex duration country-wise. So, number one, we have Ecuador in at 24 minutes. You have what them got? You have Cuba in at 22 minutes. Cuba beat we. You have Honduras 21.5 minutes. You have India 19 minutes and Jamaica with a whopping 17 minutes. But no man. When in Pakistan are 42 seconds, Bangladesh 1 minute, China 1 minute 24 seconds. What one down there? So United States 2 minutes. No, man, this doesn't look good for the US. The United States at all. Jamaica at 17 minutes, not bad at all. So I want to applause for Jamaica. I definitely feel so we're supposed to be further up in the list, but honestly, that ain't bad at all.